Hello, I'm from Generations GCT, and I'm here to provide more information about our company. Generations GCT is a fast-growing company that provides pivotal business solutions which empower our clients with the necessary tools to self-sustain themselves and to cope with the rapid development of the Egyptian market. We specialize in an array of consulting fields, primarily focused towards business restructuring and development. We have a team of highly qualified consultants and experienced technical and consulting professionals who understand the critical issues facing business today and who offer proven methods and compensation services that streamline process and reduce complexity of operations. More importantly, our solutions are custom tailored to business, saving companies money and taking them to a new level of competitive advantage. Please take a look at our website, generationsgct.com, for more information and to contact us. Thank you for watching.